Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the DSW app review to see if it's worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The DSW app is a handy companion for shoe lovers, offering access to the full catalog, VIP reward, and a exclusive deal. You can scan barcode in the store to check stock or add items to your cart. Plus, take advantage of store pickup and a clearance discount directly through the app, which makes shopping both flexible and rewarding. However, it isn't without flawless. User report glitches with checkout, cart freezing, and items showing as in stock when they are not. Favorites don't always saved properly, and the frequent forced updates can introduce new bugs. And in conclusion, the DSW app is worth using only if you are a regular shopper looking for a reward and a convenience, but it can be unreliable at times. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.